Hey guys, we've taken the last 2 days off. It's not that we wanted to, but we couldn't get out here because the weather wouldn't allow us. We've had thunderstorms for 2 weeks in a row now. And I seriously need to get our squash in these cups. I wanted the girl just a little bit bigger. We got this one here. Oh, wait a minute. Probably can't see it. We got this one here. And we got four others. So, we got 5 squash plants. And I'm excited because that means that will save us money in the long run. And I don't have to go out anywhere and actually buy squash to be able to freeze and put in our freezer. But we're going to try to get as much work done today as we possibly can. It's a bit late, it's 5 o'clock, but the boys had other things they needed to do earlier, so that's why we're kind of getting a late start at this. And I think Matt just picked a tick off of him, did you?
Something black and little. Yeah, it was moving.
It was a tick.
Oh, that's not good. But let me get back to this. They got to get in the garden here in a bit. They got to put the poles up for the peas. And then I'm going to see how our potatoes and our carrots and our garlic and all that are doing. So I'll show you pictures here in a bit of that. Well, let me get back to work. I just hit myself in the head.
Huh?
I hit myself in the head.
Why did you do that?
I don't know. It's not like I meant to. Okie dokie. About 2 weeks ago, I done a guessing game of sorts. I wanted to know what people thought these were. Well, I have found out what they were, and what I did is I had marked the side of the cup wrong. But we've got 4 of these. These are our okra plants. Don't know if it was the seeds we got from Walmart or the seeds we got from Haas. Probably the ones we got from Haas, I'd say. But we got 2 of our okra plants now growing. They're not even close to being to where I'm going to put them in the ground first. The ground's too cold. And I probably won't even put these into the ground till after May the 15th. I think it was my mother told me that my grandpa, I could be wrong, but I think she said that my grandpa wouldn't put anything in the ground until after May the 15th. So I'm trying to learn the old country raised, the way that my grandfather did, and you know, and his family and all. Because I don't know if you ever talked to your grandparents or not when you were growing up, but they always had huge, huge gardens. So I think I'm going to start listening to the old ways. Yeah, times may have changed a bit. I agree, times have changed a lot, but maybe there are ways of still doing things could help people now.
This weather's really been good for our garlic. If you remember a couple of videos ago, we actually just filled up a plastic tub full of dirt. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. And put our garlic down inside of it. And don't know if you can tell real good, but that's actually our carrots coming up. So all this rain and everything's been really good for everything. Our potatoes have finally came up. It's quite a few. These right here are just absolutely huge.
Good luck with me getting
But it's looking really, really good. This is our first year of actually growing. I think these are white potatoes. I don't remember right off the bat. But this is our first year of growing these, and they really are coming out great.
Well, everyone, that's it for today. Wasn't much to show you. Not until it starts actually warming up and, you know, during the days, and we can get the rest of the plants in. But we have much to do. But we are coming out here. We're keeping an eye on everything. Our onions, you'll see a picture of that. They're getting huge stalks. So these are onions from last year that survived. And plus, of course, we planted others this year. We still got to get our tomatoes outside, and we got to get our squash that you saw earlier outside. But right now, it's just simply too cold for them, and they just do not like the cold. Well, I'm going to let y'all go. I hope all of y'all are having a wonderful day. Give me the thumbs up if you like this video. Until next time, bye for now.